Welcome to my Booty Shield. It is very disturbing when you have to use a public toilet and the water splashes up on your bottom. With my Booty Shield in your pocket or purse, you never have to worry about public toilet water splashing on you at work, a restaurant, or anywhere you have to use a toilet. My Booty Shield may help you avoid contracting a UTI or a virus from getting splashed by dirty toilet water. My Booty Shield comes folded up small so you can carry it wherever you go. It is made of material similar to toilet paper and goes down the drain when you flush. Simply unfold my Booty Shield, lay it across the toilet seat, and it will keep the water from splashing up on you. Be confident and secure with my Booty Shield with you when you leave home.